Hey teachers, need a quick way to get your students talking? Then welcome back to This or That, the series where I serve you up 2 tasty ESL activities and you just pick the one that's the best fit for your class. Let's go. First, on today's menu, we've got hot seat conversations. One student takes the hot seat, could be at the front of the room or just in a group, while the rest of the class dishes out questions. And to make it easier for you, here are a few ready-made bites you can write on the board. It's fast, fun, and a great way to get students talking without overthinking. Plus, they love being in the spotlight. Well, most of them. Now for our second serving, conversation dice. You'll just need one simple ingredient, a dice, or use a digital one if you're fancy. Each number on the dice is paired with a delicious topic. For example, 1 for food, 2 for travel, 3 for hobbies, 4 is school life, 5 future dreams, and 6 funny what if. Students roll, get their topic, and chat away with a partner or group. It's simple, it's random, and students love the suspense of the dice roll. It adds a little spice to the conversation practice. So which dish are you serving in your next class? Hot seat conversations or conversation dice? Tell me in the comments. I love seeing what you all try out. Want to take these ideas further? My TBT store has the slides and games ready for you. All the fun and none of the prep. I'll keep the link in the description. Thank you for being with me today. I'll see you in the next one.